This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 17th of July. I'm James Spann. Again today, we've got your classic setup for showers and storms. They're scattered, not raining everywhere, but some spots getting some pretty decent amounts of rain today. Let's check some Skycam shots around the network in mid-afternoon. That's coming from Chehaw State Park. Got some big buildups around there. In fact, a few severe storms just south of there. The Weather Service issued severe thunderstorm warnings for parts of Clay and Randolph counties earlier, not too far from there. There's one of our Shelby County sky cams on the campus of the University of Montevallo. The sky there is mostly cloudy. And way down south, mid-July day on the Alabama Gulf Coast. That's our sky cam on top of the Phoenix All Suites at Gulf Shores overlooking the Hangout, Beach Boulevard. It looks like a lot of folks are down there having a lot of fun. There's a big deal. Upper low is over Jacksonville, Florida, and that is helping to enhance the number of showers and storms across the southeastern states today. That feature just kind of meandering around. And there's the convection showing up nicely on the visible satellite view across the deep south. There's the radar at 247. And you can see the bulk of the storms today, at least over the northern half of the state, along and east of I-65. But we could see some pretty healthy ones form in West Alabama later this evening, as we got some differential heating going on. Look at the numbers there. You got Gadsden at 75, Tuscaloosa 21 degrees warmer at 96, Birmingham 84 at 2 o'clock. That's not bad for a July day. Around the nation, the really nasty sizzling heat is set up there from near Lubbock, Texas, and Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, up toward Chicago and Detroit. Some of the cities up in there approaching 100 at mid-afternoon. And accordingly, heat advisories are in effect up that way. Also near Washington, D.C. and Baltimore, they're sitting around triple-digit levels today. Down to the south, a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of southeast Alabama, South Georgia, North Florida. Also another box up in northern New England. And that matches up pretty much with those severe weather risks. The guys at SPC introduced a slight risk. That's their standard risk for southeast Alabama today and tonight due to the presence of the upper low. And those risks up north are along a cold front dropping south out of Canada. Tomorrow, the risk drops slowly to the south, up that way. And down here, we got the low in 5% probabilities over about the southern half of the state. And any storm could be strong tomorrow. The main threat, of course, would be from small hail and maybe a few wet microbursts. And, hey, the numbers still look good. This is rain for the next 5 days. Hey, this is the dead of summer, and this is a time where things can be awfully dry here, but we can appreciate those numbers. This is suggesting rain amounts of 1 to 2 inches here between now and Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. And as we all know, the rainfall distribution every day is not very even, but the cumulative rain should be pretty good. And the tropics remain very quiet. Here's a peek at the upper levels, and again, that's that upper low you can see over North Florida. Well-defined circulation. You can see the convection in association with that, so showers and storms today are dropping to the south. There's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. And again, you can pick out that circulation down to the south of here, and no real change tomorrow. Scattered to numerous showers and storms, highs low 90s probably. Same thing on Thursday and Friday. Both of those days, a good chance of showers and storms, with the surface boundary dropping in from the north and a weak upper low nearby. There's a look at Friday. And again, high should be around 90 Thursday and Friday. We'll check Saturday as we kick off the weekend. Upper heights coming up a little bit. Showers probably starting to thin out. There's Sunday back in the upper levels. You can see the heights are definitely up. We've got 594 rings to the east and west. A little weakness here. So again, that looks like a typical summer day on Sunday. Partly sunny. A few spots getting a passing afternoon storm. Low 90s. Monday of next week, very similar, with, again, the chance of a few afternoon storms, but probably nothing especially widespread. We'll check the end of the forecast August 2nd. Hey, look at that trough digging down through here. That is anomalous for early August. I doubt if that happens, but if by chance it does, the heat would not be all that bad, and we'll probably see some storms around. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And don't forget to watch us on ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.